Hi friends, welcome to Diya Se Diye Food Recipes. Today I am making mango sweet and sour tidbits. Wash 700 grams desi mango. Peel the skin and remove the seed. Then dice cut the pulpy portion. Out of 700 grams, around 500 grams is left behind. Now, heat 2 tablespoons cooking oil at low flame. Add 1 teaspoon jeera, a half teaspoon rice seeds, 1 tablespoon saunf, and a quarter teaspoon methi dana. Stir for 40 seconds. And add diced cut mango pieces and roast for 1 minute. Afterwards, add 350 grams sugar. Mix and then pour 3/4 cup water. Cover the pan and let the contents cook for 15 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Dissolve 1/8 teaspoons jarda color in 1 tablespoon water. When mango pieces are 75% cooked, add a half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon kalonji seeds, and the prepared jarda color solution. Cook for 15 more minutes. When mango syrup is thick enough to lose its runny foam, turn off the flame and let it cool. Sweet and sour mango tidbits are ready to enjoy. You can store in a jar for long-term use. If you enjoyed my recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.